How to create a Lyft account. Want to start riding with Lyft? Here's how to create your account in just few taps. First, open the Lyft app on your device. Now tap on Get Started. You'll be asked to enter your phone number. Type it in and tap Next. Lyft will send you a 6-digit verification code. Enter that code to proceed. Next, add your full name and email address. You will also need to create a secure password. Once done, you will land on the home screen. Ready to book your first ride? You can also add a profile picture and payment method later. If you don't get the verification code, wait a moment or tap Resend code. Let me know if your code is not arriving in the comments below. Now you have got your account, and if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.